Hello everybody, what is up and welcome to another Trade Creatives training video. My name is Jessica and I'm the founder and director of Trade Creatives, and here we use the crypto and forex markets to trade smart to fund our art. Yay! So today we're going to be breaking down one of our projects known as Validus. We have lots of amazing crypto and trading projects that we use here in Trade Creatives. They're all great for different reasons, but in this project, you're going to be able to use your capital to receive rewards. So I'm going to be breaking down in this training what is Validus and how long and stable gradual growth is a great thing to have in your income portfolio as an artist. Okay, this is their presentation, not mine, but I thought I'd just use this one to keep things nice and simple. Now, a few disclaimer messages. The information provided in this presentation does not constitute as investment or financial advice and should not be treated as such, okay? The content in this presentation should also not be taken as an offer to buy or sell or hold cryptocurrency. Rewards are never guaranteed, and examples in this presentation that I'll use are for illustration purposes only, okay? It is what it is. So who and what is Validus? It was established in August 2021. Their global launch was in February 2022. So they've not been around for long. Remember that. We like to call new companies like this a high risk opportunity, but it doesn't mean that they're not doing great things, okay? We're really ahead of the crowd right now, which is the best position to be in. Yay. And today there are more than 80,000 active members involved in developing this opportunity. The company is registered in the United States of America with the headquarters in the technology hub of the world, Dubai, of course. Collectively, the founders and the leadership in this business, they have over 50 years of industry experience, helping us to have a sustainable long-term business model that we can actively use to build ourselves a foundation. Okay, I'll go into that in a little bit. So if you're looking to clear a few bills or you need to develop a savings pot for an upcoming project, this is something that you can use to help you kickstart that journey, depending on how much you want to use or even do in this project, okay? So here they are. This is our Chief Network Officer who oversaw a network of over 3.5 million globally, okay? He has over 20 years of business acumen. He's a consultant in the crypto space. He's a public figure, a mentor, and a philanthropist. We've got Howard Friend, who's Chief Executive, Chartered Market Technician. He's got 30 years of experience trading algorithms and developing, and he's also a market strategist. Then we also have the Vice President of Sales. So he's done over 100 million in sales and network marketing. He's achieved the 12th highest earning position on Business for Home. Anyone who knows that website will know what it's about. He's constructed compensation plans for multiple companies around the world and has mentored many individuals to 7 figures, multimillionaire status, okay? So always make sure, everyone, that you do your own research. Of course, this is just some pictures and their credentials, but there's some pretty big top dogs here at the helm. Now, there are 2 elements of Validus that we're going to talk about here, but I'm going to cut right to the chase. It is the rewards. That's what we're here for. That's where the real returns are in this project. Validus, first and foremost, however, is a trading academy. So members can get involved and we purchase educational packages, okay, which can help you to learn about the markets. In my personal opinion, it's not as good as some of our other platforms when it comes to trading education. We've got some brilliant ones here in Trade Creatives, but the education is there if you want to dive into it and use it. The amount of education that you get is also dependent on how much you put in. And you can get started in Validus with like as little as $50 if you wanted to. Wouldn't recommend it, but it's great for small starters, okay? This is why I think this is a great opportunity for artists or our baby traders or our newbies, you know, because you can even start with a low entry and still be winning. So as well as the $50, there's also the $100 pack to $500, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 if you really wanted to. And you can purchase any package at any moment in time. And you can also add on to your package and have any combination of packages. And this will determine your total returns as well when it comes to your rewards. So you might be wondering, so if you're purchasing education, how do you make returns and what are the returns based upon? Well, I kind of like to think of it this way. You know, when you go to an event or a show and the payment option is, you know, a contribution to what you see fit, well, this is kind of the same thing. But whatever you do give, your package, that will be invested into the Validus pool. This consists of cryptocurrencies, stocks, and foreign exchange that we all know the foreign exchange market currently has about $6.6 trillion every single day that is passing hands. The stock market doesn't average about $14 billion a day. Cryptocurrency has $1 trillion market cap. Wild, wild numbers, okay? And this platform simply uses our money to invest in these spaces, and then they pay us commission in the form of rewards, 2 to 3% per week to be exact. So as soon as you start, you are getting money back straight away. Love that, tick. So this is how the company makes their money, real simple. Now you're earning anything between 2 to 3% a week. Yes, 2 to 3% a week on your capital that you have put in. It might not sound like a lot, but here in Trade Creators, we love sustainability, okay? I would much rather make a little less for a long period of time rather than make a lot and the company liquidate. Nicht so gut. The beauty with even 2 or 3% per week is that you can also compound this amount, and that's what we love about this platform. So what does compounding look like? So if you were to invest your capital and purchase a package in this business and you're making 2 to 3% per week, you can withdraw every single day if you wanted to, as long as the minimum amount is $30. $30. But if you left this capital in, it is going to automatically compound, and you're going to now begin receiving a return on your initial package and the profits of that package. Does that make sense? So within 29 weeks, there'll be 100% return. In 45 weeks, 200% return. And in 60 weeks, 350% return. I really recommend that you write that down. Note takers are the money makers. So what do these percentages look like for you? Let's say you want to get started with a $10,000 pack. That means in your first week, you will have made $250 return. In 29 weeks, that's $10,000, and in 45 weeks, that's $20,000. And in 60 weeks, you've just turned $10,000 into $35,000, and that's on a $10,000 package, okay? So of course, the numbers will change and vary if you've got more packages or less packages or packages of a lower volume, yada, yada, yada. So to make it more realistic, you can do the math yourself, but let's imagine that you started with $1,000, right? You get $25 per week, which you can withdraw. But if you wanted to compound it, you keep it in there. By 29 weeks, you will have got your initial return back. So that would have been $1,000. In 45 weeks, it's $2,000. In 60 weeks, that's $3,500. Okay. Considering that we get 0.01% per month from our bank, this is pretty rad. I love it. Some people want to make more money faster, but I love the stability. It's slow, it's safe, and it's stable. And it's my favorite way to compound anything because it can become exponential if you are smart with it. Okay. My best coaching advice as an artist from me to you, get out whatever you put into this as quickly as you can. We call this going break even. Withdraw whatever you put in as quickly as you can. And then after that, you're just playing with profits. And then from there, you can continue to build your asset portfolio, invest into other things, other opportunities, enjoy your withdrawals, whatever it is you want to do. I like to say, take assets that are digital and make them physical, put it into physical assets, put it into other investments, create savings pots, whatever it is that you need to do, you're going to have your own plan with that. Lovely stuff. So with all of that in mind as their main income stream, there's also a fabulous compensation plan, okay? But if you like the sound of this project already, then feel free to close this video now, go back to the person who sent it to you. It might have been your freelancer friend, or it might have even been me. Just let us know, pop us a message saying, I'm ready. And that lets us know that you're ready to start earning and start getting your rewards as part of the Trade Creators community in the Validus project. If you're a bit of a big baller and you'd like to make use of the compensation plan, then you can move on to the next video. That bit's for you. So yes, you can maximize your returns in other ways here. Do you have to refer people to this platform? No, absolutely not. You can start with $50 and still be winning every single week and take withdrawals when you want, as long as you have a minimum $30 withdrawal. But there are 5 additional income streams in this space that I think you should really have a think about. If you yourself would find the Validus rewards helpful, then I'm sure you know another creative out there who needs this too. Sharing is caring. Each one, teach one. So if you're thinking 2 to 3% per week sounds kind of hard, and now you're probably wondering, okay, this is amazing, but how can I actually get started? Just want it right now. It's cool because it's super duper simple. Number 1, you first use the referral link that is sent to you by your Trade Creators ambassador. Once you've registered with your referral link, you simply need to deposit. How do you deposit? It's at the top of your account. It says add money. You click on add money, you click the amount, and then it's going to give you a crypto wallet address that you can then send the funds to. If you don't have a Binance account set up already, Binance, Kraken, whatever, I highly recommend that you get started on that now because it can take anything from 5 minutes to 24, 48 hours. You can find the link in the description of this video. I'll make sure to send you directly to some exchanges and to brokers that you might want to have a look at. But once that's been completed, it will show up in your back office within about an hour. Then you go to packages, you purchase the package which you have chosen to subscribe to. And that really is the simplicity and beauty behind this project. You can literally get started straight away and start seeing your rewards stack up. And it is a beautiful, beautiful process. Like I said, let your trade creative know I'm ready so that we can help you start to trade smart to fund your art. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.